Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Do you know the importance of English language? Remember it, the English language is only one language that is spoken in every area of world. If you want to go out of from India, you have to speak in English there. Like this, if you want to be a manager in any company, in any shop, you have to speak in English language. Like this, if you want to take admission in colleges, in schools, you have to speak in English there. In this time, if you want to communicate with any person, you have to speak in English. From that, we came to know that the English language is very important in our life. If you want to learn English but don't know how, doesn't matter. Because from tomorrow, Hanfi Bareivi Academy wants you to learn English. That's why if you want to take admission in Hanfi Bareivi Academy and if you want to learn English, so please call me on my number. Inshallah, Azawajal, I will reply you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.